Welcome to the grand section of this course. We're gonna discuss about opacity and fill. So what are these two things? These look similar, work similar, affects the layer similar. No, it doesn't work similar and affects the layer similar, but it looks similar. You can find out opacity and fill options on top of the layers panel. Here, both the opacity and fill options control a layer's transparency. That is, they control how much the current selected layer allows the other layer below it in the document to show through. Usually we lower the opacity value to lower a layer's transparency, right? Yes. But if we do the same in the fill also, we get the same result. So what is the point of having two options that do the same thing? So there is a difference. That's I'm gonna explain briefly in the upcoming minutes. Here I'm gonna import an image to Photoshop. Then go to File, then Open. So this is just a simple image that's a scissor. So let's play around with the opacity value. Decrease near 50%. It goes transparent. Okay, move to 100%. Then and change the fill value to the same. Around 50% it goes transparent, doing the same thing. There is no difference. Both the time it goes transparent. But there is a difference if we add layer styles to the image. So let's add some layer options. So right click, then go to blending options to jump over to the layer options. So apply any of these settings or effects. You can choose one or more than one, or every single settings that bevel, emboss, color, the stroke, gradient, overlay, outer glow, drop shadow, anything you can add. Here I'm gonna just add the drop shadow effect. It makes a shadow. Look at that. It makes a shadow. That's opacity goes 100%. Okay, you can do random settings. Opacity goes 64. Then the black color. Okay, it's 90 degree. I'm gonna increase the distance a little bit so we can see this perfectly. Then and we will discuss everything, this bevel, emboss and everything, every single thing later. Then we can click OK. So we added a drop shadow effect to this layer. Then just decrease the opacity to just around 50%. Everything goes transparent. When we go to 0%, everything vanished. We make to 100%. Even the layer styles also got vanished. Then we can select that, then go to fill and change the fill value to 50. Look at that, it doesn't affect the layer styles. If we go to 0%, it doesn't affect the blending options or layer styles. The drop shadows still remain constant. The image goes transparent, but the layer style remain constant. So that is the major difference of fill and opacity. The opacity will affect the entire layer and its layer style. Look at that, it vanished. But the fill will not affect the layer style. It affects only the image. So that is the difference, or that is opacity versus fill. And we can utilize in different ways, very useful ways for effects, text effects, image effects. So this we're gonna discuss. Let's see how we can use the benefits.